students, I am Varsha Kiran Patil, ENTC Department AISSMS IOIT Pune. This video is about submission of project documents for last year BENTC degree. Our cultural secretary Prabhati Ngole will explain about the process of submission of project documents. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Pragati Ingole, Cultural Secretary of TESA Committee 2021 Academic Year Batch. This video is regarding the project submission along with the black book and the appendix file. These are the following instructions given to us by our project coordinators, who are Mrs. Varsha Patil ma'am, Mrs. Shobha Nikam ma'am and Mr. Amol Chaudhary sir. So these are the following instructions given to us. So this is the black book. The first page of the black book consists of the project name, the group member's name along with their roll number and whom it is guided by. The next page is the certificate page, which we have to get signed by our principal sir, HOD ma'am, along with the signature of the project guide. After the certificate, you have to add your sponsorship certificate if it is applicable to your project. The third page is the acknowledgement page. Next is the abstract. Following is the index. Following the index, we have to print out our project report and add our project report according to the index. After the project report, the first page is the rubrics document, in which we have to add our academic year in the top right corner, our group number, initials of our project guide's name. These are the following blocks which we have to write. These should be handwritten. These are the parameters in which marks have to be given by our guide. First page is the rubrics page. The second is the project card. We have to take the printout of the project card and we have to write these details. The project card is regarding to the marks which will be given to us according to our performance in our presentation throughout the academic year. The marks will be given to us by our respective project guide. Now we have to add the abstract sheet. We have to fill these details from the Google Excel sheet which will be circulated to you. We have to write the abstract of our project in a bullet points. We also have to add a photograph with our project guide along with the project members and the hardware. This is the evaluation sheet. We have to fill these details present over the first page, second page, and we have to write the answers to each and every question present on the third page of evaluation sheet. The marks on the first page and the second page will be given by the respective guide. To the evaluation sheets, you have to add project competition certificates or any special award received by you. If not, you have to mention nil over there. That we have to click a picture of our hardware and add it on a separate page. Next, we have to click a picture of our hardware along with all the project members and the project guide. After the hardware picture with the guide, we have to add our presentation snaps. Now we have to add the COPO mapping. COPO mapping, here is the block present over here. Here we have to add the name of our project. There are 12 blocks given over here. The first block is significant to the first parameter here present. For example, it is apply the knowledge of mathematics, science, engineering fundamentals. If you have used this particular parameter in high level in your project, you have to give marks here 3 marks. If you have used it in a moderate level, you have to give here 2 marks. If you would have used it in a low level, you have to give here 1 marks. According to that, there are total 12 parameters. You have to give here marks from 1 to 3. Okay. After that, you have to justify each and every marks which you have given, like why exactly you have given 3 marks or 2 marks. You have to write a justification in 1 or 2 lines. After the appendix, we have to add the data sheets. After the data sheets, we have to add the paper published in the journal. Following the certificates of the publication of all the members along with the certificate of the guide. Please add a strip over here consisting of our academic year, our group number and the department name. Now our black book is completed. The next we have to create a bunch which will be known as an appendix bunch, in which we have to Xerox all the appendix which we have added in the black book. These are the following contents of the appendix bunch. The first page is the title page. The second page is the rubrics page. The third page we have to Xerox the signed certificate of the principal sir, HOD ma'am and the respective project guide. We have to add it at the number 3. The next is the project card. On the 4th number we have to add the sponsorship certificate if applicable. 5th we have to add the abstract sheet. On the 6th number we have to add the evaluation sheets. On the 7th number we have to add the project competition certificates or any special awards received by you. If not, you have to mention nil over there. Next, we have to add the hardware picture of our project. After that, we have to click a picture with our project guide and all the project members along with the hardware. After that, we have to add the presentation snaps. Next, we have to add the published paper and the certificates of the published paper with all the group members certificate and project guide certificate. In the last, we have to add the COPO mapping. The index of the appendix bunch is mentioned in the description box link below. The documents which have star marked in the index, you have to print out them and they should be handwritten. After the appendix bunch, we have to create a CD. The CD should consist of working video of the hardware module of our project, the project report, the plagiarism report along with the paper and the certificates of the paper. At last, you have to submit the hardware. Please place the hardware in a box and label it with the project name, group member's name, their roll number, group number and the department. All the documents are linked in the description box below. In the end, I would like to thank our principal sir, Dr. P.B. Mane, our HOD of ENTC department, Dr. M.P. Sarde, and I would like to thank you all on the behalf of TESA Committee 2021. Thank you so much.